Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about law enforcement. They're getting tougher on those cash ride discounts off the app.
They are. This is Saratoga, I'm assuming New York.
Yes, actually, it's right by like Lake George area, so it's not too far from there. Yeah. It's a little north of Albany, which is the state capital.
So, folks, I am not against any of this. I do understand why people do it, why they're doing it at all, right? With the pay as it is, knock yourself out. All we do is make sure that if you're going to do friends and family trips, you cover your butt. That's in the case of if you have something to lose. You know, a lot of drivers go, I have nothing to lose. I'm like, okay. Now, what you have nothing, if you may think you have nothing to lose, you may not have a home, you may not have this, you may not do that, but there's a thing called going through a lawsuit and getting hit with a lien. And then it goes through Uber, and then they start cutting your pay month to month to month. So look, I'm not against any of this, but so 8 individuals were ticketed following a rideshare safety initiative at Saratoga Springs on Friday. Saratoga Springs Police Department conducted a rideshare safety initiative on Friday, August 15th. They focused on areas around the Saratoga that's the race course, okay, and the downtown district with the goal of ensuring compliance with city regulations governing transportation services. So if you're going to do these trips, folks, as we always say, read the room, right? They may be setting you up. There are setups. I've known in LA, they do this, you know, they act like, hey, I'm a passenger there'll be a cop with a suitcase on the side of the road, and they'll go like, yeah, let's do a cash trip. And then you go, yeah. And then they just swoop and take your car, impound your car, and on all those good things. So again, I'm not telling you guys not to do it, but be super duper careful about it. The initiative targeted unauthorized rideshare operators acting as taxis and accepting fares without processing the required city-issued licenses. So if you have your license, if you have your commercial insurance, if your ass is covered, by all means, knock yourselves out. Under Saratoga Springs City Code, all registered taxis must obtain a valid city medallion. I get that. So, yeah, I mean, this is going to happen because what happens, it comes into the news, right? This is not the first time we're hearing of these kind of stings, let's say. But, I'm sure Uber and Lyft have something to do with it, and they probably don't like losing trips or riders, right, to friends and family. And they'll probably alerting a lot of the police departments, local and whatnot, to go, hey, do a sting, do this, do that, and just be careful. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, if you want to do it, again, make sure, as I've said before, make sure you cross your T's, dot your I's, and you're good to go. Just want to make sure that you are following what you need to follow. So in the event that there is a sting like this, you can say, well, I got everything I need, so have a great day. Or you still need that ride because whatever it might be. But yeah, make sure that you are following the law. It might sound tempting, not to, especially the way pay has been, especially the way, things have been. You look at how much a passenger pays, how much we're getting out of that. Yeah, it might sound very tempting to say, hey, they're offering me $35 on the app, but this guy's saying $55. That sounds good because I get to make an extra 20, but it could be a cut and there could be some issues and really don't want to go that route. If there's any type of accident or anything, I mean, unfortunately, look at what happened in Florida. Those types of things do happen and you have no idea when or where it may. So you just want to make sure that you definitely do what you can to mitigate any problems or issues, whether it be, liability problems that are current or could be in the potential future.
Absolutely. Yeah. And, I get it. It's tough out there. You got to do the best you can and cross your T's, dot your I's, knock yourself out.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.